Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install and enable Google Keyboard or Gboard in Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Play Store app. Now here go to search bar and search Google Keyboard or Gboard. And then click on this Gboard. Now here click on install. Now here after installing, click on open and then click on enable in settings. Now in settings, turn on this Gboard button and then click on OK. Now here click on select input method and from here select Gboard and then click on done. So now from here you can customize the keyboard settings. You can change its theme. So there are a lot of themes here. You can also change the preferences of keyboard and you can do many settings of keyboard from here. So that's how you can install and enable the Google Keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.